In today's video, we've got some exciting updates from Samsung, OnePlus, and Realme. Let's dive right in. Samsung Galaxy S23 FE. First up, the Samsung Galaxy S23 FE has been making waves with its recent appearances in certifications and benchmark tests. The smartphone is expected to sport a 6.4-inch FHD plus AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate and a punch hole cut out for the selfie shooter. Under the hood, it will likely be powered by the Exynos 2200 or a Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 variant for global markets. There could be two variants, one with 6GB RAM plus 128GB storage and another with 8GB RAM plus 256GB storage. As for the camera setup, we might see a 50 megapixels main camera, an 8 megapixels telephoto lens, and a 12 megapixels ultra-wide-angle lens on the rear, and a 12 megapixels front camera for selfies and video chats. The phone is expected to ship with Android 13-based One UI 5.1 custom skin. Also, the device is rumored to pack a 4,500 mAh battery with support for 25W fast charging. OnePlus Ace 2 Pro. Moving on, OnePlus is gearing up to launch the OnePlus Ace 2 Pro, and it's packing some impressive features. The phone will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, a flagship processor from Qualcomm. What's more intriguing is the innovative aerospace-grade 3D cooling system that covers a significant area of 9,140 square m, ensuring efficient heat dissipation during heavy usage. The OnePlus Ace 2 Pro has been spotted on Geekbench and has also received 3C certification, indicating its impending launch in August. However, there are speculations that the phone might have a different name when released in the global market, possibly the OnePlus 12R. Lastly, Realme is ready to unveil its upcoming Realme GT 5, also known as Realme GT Neo 6, and the anticipation is high. The phone is expected to feature a 6.74-inch 144Hz OLED display and run on the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, just like the OnePlus Ace 2 Pro. Leaked renders suggest a distinctive camera module design, housing a 50 megapixels OIS primary camera. It's rumored to come with Android 13 OS and may offer up to 16 GB of RAM. Notably, there are talks of two fast charging variants, one with a blazing 150-watt charging speed and another with an even more astonishing 240W charging speed. The phone is expected to debut in China before heading to global markets. And that's a wrap for today's tech news. Stay tuned for more UPD.